Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the top 5 best gaming mini PCs of 2026. These tiny powerhouses are perfect if you want a compact gaming setup, a high-performance home office, or even a streaming rig without taking up your whole desk. Mini PCs are amazing because they pack desktop-level performance into a super small footprint. But not all mini PCs are created equal. Some are optimized for gaming, some for office work, and some for content creation. Today, I'll break down everything: CPU performance, graphics, storage, connectivity, and value, so you can pick the right one for your setup. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Alright, let's start. Number 1. BOSGAME E4 Mini PC. The BOSGAME E4 is a compact powerhouse for its price. Its Ryzen 5 CPU handles light gaming and multitasking with ease. You can run games like Fortnite, Valorant, or even moderate AAA titles on medium settings. The triple 4K display support makes it a perfect choice for productivity setups or casual gaming streams. It's not the fastest Wi-Fi out there, it only has Wi-Fi 5, but the dual LAN ports mean you can always get a stable wired connection for online gaming. One thing to note, the design is very understated, so it fits perfectly on any desk without looking bulky. AMD Ryzen 5 3550H, 16GB DDR4 RAM, 512GB PCIe SSD, dual RJ45, USB-C, USB 3.2, supports triple 4K displays, Wi-Fi 5 and Bluetooth 5.0. Pros: triple 4K display support, good connectivity, compact and stylish. If you want a budget-friendly mini PC for multitasking and light gaming, the BOSGAME E4 is a solid choice. Number 2. ACEMAGIC K1 Mini PC. Next up is the ACEMAGIC K1. This one is a serious step up in performance. The Intel 12600H CPU is a powerhouse for both gaming and productivity. You can run demanding applications, stream in high quality, and still have resources left for other tasks. The Wi-Fi 6 ensures faster and more stable connections, which is great for online gaming or streaming. Its triple 4K display support is also perfect for creators who want multi-monitor setups. If you like tiny PCs that pack a big punch, the K1 is definitely worth considering. Intel Core i5-12600H, up to 4.5 GHz, 16GB DDR4 RAM, 512GB SSD, triple 4K display support, Wi-Fi 6 and BT 5.2. Pros: powerful CPU for its size, Wi-Fi 6 and BT 5.2, handles gaming and multitasking well. The ACEMAGIC K1 is perfect for those who want a small, high-performance PC for gaming or work. Number 3. KAMRUI Pinova P2 Mini Gaming PC. The Pinova P2 is a versatile mini PC. It's similar in performance to the ACEMAGIC K1, but slightly more geared toward productivity. The multiple display outputs allow you to set up triple monitor workstations or gaming setups. Gaming performance is solid for most AAA titles on medium settings, and the overall system feels responsive for office tasks or content creation. For a home office or a compact gaming station, this is a reliable pick. Intel Core i5-12600H, up to 4.5 GHz, 16GB RAM, 512GB SSD, triple 4K display support, HDMI plus DP plus Type-C, Windows 11. Pros: strong mid-range CPU, excellent multi-display support, compact and stylish, a solid all-rounder that balances gaming and productivity. Number 4. GEEKOM A5 Pro Mini PC 2026. The GEEKOM A5 Pro is a tiny giant. The upgradable RAM up to 96GB and 1TB SSD make it perfect for creators who need space and speed. It even supports 8K output for ultra-high resolution media. Whether you're video editing, streaming, or just want a powerhouse home office setup, the A5 Pro can handle it all. Wi-Fi 6 and multiple USB ports give you maximum flexibility. It's slightly larger than some other mini PCs, but the performance makes up for it. AMD Ryzen 5 7430U, 16GB DDR4 RAM, 1TB NVMe SSD, 4 display/8K support, Wi-Fi 6, 6 USB ports, and Windows 11 Pro. Pros: upgradable RAM, 1TB SSD, 8K display support. Best for content creators and power users who need flexibility and high-end display options. Number 5. PELADN Gaming Mini PC 7640HS. Finally, we have the PELADN 7640HS. This one is a pure gaming mini PC. With DDR5 RAM and dual SSD storage, load times are incredibly fast. The dual Type-C USB 4.0 and dual LAN make it future-proof and perfect for competitive gaming. Its Ryzen 5 7640HS outperforms most other mini PCs on this list in raw gaming performance. You can comfortably run AAA games on high settings, and streaming is smooth thanks to its high-speed RAM and storage. AMD Ryzen 5 7640HS, 16GB dual DDR5 RAM, 512GB dual SSD, dual Type-C USB 4.0 and dual LAN, Wi-Fi 6 and BT 5.2. Pros: DDR5 RAM and dual SSD for speed, high gaming performance, dual LAN and USB 4.0 future-proofing. If gaming is your top priority, the PELADN 7640HS is the mini PC to beat in 2026. And that wraps up our list of the top 5 best gaming mini PCs of 2026. To recap: BOSGAME E4, best for budget-conscious users; ACEMAGIC K1, high performance and versatile; KAMRUI Pinova P2, balanced all-rounder; GEEKOM A5 Pro, best for content creators; PELADN 7640HS, ultimate gaming mini PC. No matter what your budget or use case is, there's a mini PC on this list for you. If you found this review helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss our future tech reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.